Did you know you can actually make money online? Yeah, that's right, and all you need is a computer or phone with internet access. So in this video I'm going to show you 5 websites where you can actually start making some side cash or if you're really serious, some good money. Isn't that amazing? On some of these websites you can actually make as much as $100 a day or even more. And the best part is you don't have to quit your 9 to 5 job. You can make this money working in your free time. On the internet, there are 2 distinct ways of making money. The first way is active income. With active income, it's like your normal 9 to 5 job. You only get paid for the work you do. If you do not work, you don't make money. As simple as that. The second way is through passive income. This is my favorite method because with active income, all you do is put in the work once and the money in theory should keep rolling in without you having to do any work other than maybe promoting what you have made or in some cases what other people have made. So let's get to the video. Number 1. Upworks.com. Upwork is a website of freelancers. With Upworks, you are making active income. Businesses and individuals post services on Upworks that they would like to outsource, such as article writing, video editing, app development, coding. There are tons of job and service being outsourced on Upworks. The beauty of all this is its low barrier of entry. You just have to be good at something. If there is something that you are good at, maybe graphic design or coding or just about any skill, head over to Upworks and start making some money. Here's a tip if you are considering working on Upworks: having a robust profile that looks good. This will drastically increase your likelihood of ever receiving job offers from potential clients. Displaying your best work or highlighting specific experience can and will help you stand out. Number 2. YouTube. Not a lot of people know this, but you can actually make money with YouTube. If you are considering getting into YouTube to make money, make sure you understand one thing clearly. Thanks to the new rules, if you are planning on starting a brand new channel from scratch, you first have to reach the YouTube minimum threshold to get monetized, which is you will need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in last 12 months. Once you have reached that, you can get monetized. How much can you make money on YouTube? Honestly, as much as you want. As long as you keep uploading good content that people are willing to watch your golden, and the longer the video, the more money you can expect to make. You can make anywhere from $1 to 1,000, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. The more views you are getting, the more money you can expect to make, and also you get more subscribers. With YouTube, what you are earning is passive income. Make a few videos and they should keep making you more consistently. You can also make money with YouTube through paid sponsorships, but with paid sponsorships, you will need a large audience, usually a minimum of 10k subscribers to do that. You can also make money through affiliates, but we will get to that later. Number 3. Amazon. Although Jeff Bezos did start up the company selling books, Amazon now sells almost anything you can think of. It's not just a site for buying your favorite toys though. You can actually make money with Amazon. And here's the 3 ways. The first way is Amazon MTurk. MTurk is kind of like Upworks. It's a place where businesses outsource work that is too difficult for a computer program to do, such as audio editing and transcribing, translating audio and video from different languages, testing web pages, writing reviews, and a whole lot of other services. You can make as much as $20 to $30 an hour by working on a few different tasks. This is a legit way of making money and they do pay. This is active income though. The second way is Amazon Kindle Publishing. Turn your ideas into ebook and make money today. Every time you buy an ebook from Amazon and the publisher make money and you make too. The thing with Kindle Publishing is you first need a book to sell. You can either write this book yourself or you can hire someone to write it for you. You don't have to be an established author or find a publishing company to do this. You can actually do this from the comfort of your home and start earning some passive income. Awesome, right? And the best part is absolutely free. So sign up and start making some money. Amazon takes care of the money handling shenanigans and you can sit back, relax on your couch while making some good old passive income. If you are really interested in Kindle publishing, I highly recommend you to do more research on this topic. You can find free videos and tutorials right here on YouTube that will teach you the basics. If you want expert advice, you might have to first pay for a course. I will link a really good one in the description if you are interested. Some people make over $1 lakh publishing Kindle ebooks on Amazon. It's definitely a market to look into. The third way is Amazon Associates Program. This is a very popular and easy way of earning passive income. All you do is sign up to the Amazon Associates Program, which is free. Then you can pick from thousands of stuff Amazon sells on their website and start promoting. Amazon will give you a special link, and every time someone buys through your link, Amazon will give you a commission anywhere from 5 to 10% of the sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days after a purchase, and you can choose to be paid either through Amazon gift card, wire transfer to a bank account. Although this is currently only available in the US, but if you live outside America, you can be paid via checks, or you can have the money transferred to your Amazon account and start buying stuff with it. Number 4. ClickBank. ClickBank is a marketplace for product creators and affiliates to make money online by selling their courses or services to the world. ClickBank only sells digital products, but the beauty about ClickBank is that the commission payout is so much higher than that of Amazon. Some affiliates pay you as much as 70% for selling their services, while others pays as low as 5%. So keep that in mind. But with that said, you can make some really good money on ClickBank. Hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Simply head over to ClickBank, pick something to sell and start making money. Number 5. Flippa.com. Flippa is the #1 marketplace for buying and selling online businesses. It attracts a huge audience and it offers great tool to increase visibility. It's an auction site really much like eBay for those selling and buying digital assets such as websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores and Amazon FBA accounts. If you are good at making apps or even websites, you can actually sell it online and make some money. Or better yet, if you have some money lying around and you are interested in buying either websites, apps or e-commerce stores that are already making money, you can do so with Flippa. What happens is you place a bid much like eBay, and if your bid is the highest, then congratulations, because you just bought yourself an online business. You can also make money by selling online businesses. So that's Flippa for you. If you like the video, then consider subscribing and don't forget to press the bell notification so you never miss the new ways to earn money. And don't forget to comment down below and let us know what do you think of the video.